learn how to install a ceiling access hatch. So right here I've got a ceiling access hatch, and what this lets us do is basically look inside, access the ceiling. Now there's many different types, but they've all got the same idea, which is basically a door. So this can actually work in a door or a wall, but they come in different sizes and different materials. There's so many different types. So this one's really easy. All you have to do is cut a hole the size of your access hatch, and then you push this up, and then you bend these tabs. So the first thing you want to do, sometimes they come with a template, sometimes they don't. So I got the box that came in, and I cut out a piece of cardboard, a square piece, the size of the hatch, which we're going to use. Now I got here, the other thing you need is tape, obviously, and then a drywall saw. I got the Klein Tools drywall saw, which is really good because it's got a drywall saw built in, and it's also got a cheese grater, which now doesn't want to come out now that they're making the video. So this is for sanding the drywall edges in case they're a little bit too tight. So this is a good saw because it's got teeth that go both directions. So my hatch is going to go somewhere on the ceiling, so what I want to do is tape my cardboard to the ceiling. But first, if you've got a way in the ceiling, like through a light or a diffuser, you want to go look up there. So in this case, I've already got a hatch in here, but I'm adding a second hatch down there. So you want to, looking up here is really good because you can see where this track is. There's a conduit. So if I put my originally I planned to put my hatch in line with the existing hatch because that would look good, but the thing is, where this hatch comes up, where the hatch is going, there's a conduit. So if somebody tried to open it to do some work, they'd be obstructed by the conduits, which is not good for them. So that means that I might need to move it over a little bit, especially to avoid this track. So that's what we're going to do. So next video I'm going to show you how to do that.